Did you know we have four different authorities enforcing traffic laws, each with different powers and limits? Let's break it down. Municipal and provincial traffic police. Municipal officers enforce traffic rules within their towns and cities. Provincial officers patrol across the province. Both can stop vehicles, issue fines, and arrest drivers for serious offences like drunk driving. Metro police operate only in metros like Johannesburg or Tshwane, enforce traffic rules, municipal bylaws, and can arrest for criminal offences. Their powers come from the SAPS Act and National Road Traffic Act. National Traffic Police patrol national roads and freight routes, focus on road safety, speeding, overloading, and major roadblocks. Authority comes from the National Road Traffic Act and RTMC Act. SAPS, nationwide authority, enforces traffic laws, investigates crimes, and arrests anywhere in the country. Key point: who stops you matters, their powers aren't all the same.